Hello everyone and welcome on this new midweek analysis on the gold from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. Before we start, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel and kindly leave a comment and share the video. So last Saturday, I actually have sent a signal to sell the gold from 2733. Well, somehow it was really a good signal because the market, as we can see, has reversed almost from our entry, if not exactly actually. And actually it has went in around 200 pips of profit before it reversed back above our entry right now and hit the edge of the safe zone. However, it's important to say that this signal actually was really good, and I really wish we have closed it in 200 pips of profit. But I actually have sent an update on my Telegram here telling my followers to close this signal in 70 pips of profit, because I have noticed here that the market actually started to rise again and broke out from this level of resistance at 2725. So those who have actually listened to my advice in the free group of Telegram, they were able to close it and secure it in profits. However, those who refused to join, of course, they had to face these losses alone. So again, I'm telling everybody to please join our free group of Telegram to receive these updates from me personally about the gold. And remember that it's always part of this signal. Telegram channel is just the updates and notifications about any signal that you are receiving here on YouTube. And of course, it's totally free, my friends. I mean, it's absolutely free of cost. You can just check the description below of this video to find the link to join directly, or you can just simply look it up right here, Xtreme Trader Signals. So anyway, the market has indeed reversed for 200 pips, so it was somehow really a good signal. The market reversed, but sadly the bullish momentum is really way stronger now right now on the gold. So let me just first of all delete the old signal because we don't need it anymore. Now let's see what we can do next with the gold. Now it's important to remind everybody that based on the monthly chart, the gold is literally swimming in the uncharted water, and no one in the world know how the gold is going to react right now. We don't have any data to rely on. I mean, on the left side here, of course, it's empty. There is absolutely no data to rely on, so we can actually read it to understand how the gold will continue the move. We always need these levels of resistance and supports to understand how the gold is going to continue the move. However, when there is absolutely no data at all, it's just a blank, and the gold right now is literally shooting to the skies, and again swimming in the uncharted water. So meaning we don't know what will gonna happen next with the gold. So in my opinion, gold right now nowadays is actually really good for scalping. Scalping is really fantastic on the gold right now, but however, long-term trades is something else. So now let's see what we can do next with the gold and what we can expect next with this pair. So what we can see right now, and again, my friends, we are of course here doing the best we can. No one knows how the gold will continue the move. Again, we are just doing here the best we can to predict the next direction on the gold. And no matter if anybody told you that they know exactly how the gold will move, unless they are Jerome Powell, of course, they don't know how the gold will move at all. Now, as you can see right here, now we have here a channel based on the daily chart that is about to be completed. So that tells us that we have here, of course, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 attempts of a support trend line against 1, 2 only attempts of a resistance trend line, which means we have, of course, here an upper trend, and we have here a strong bullish momentum, and that means that the gold most likely now will continue the rise till it fills the gap right here and to hit the resistance trend line. So that being said, the only chance we have right now is to buy the gold until it reach another around 400 pips to hit the edge of the resistance trend line. So from technical view, all what we can say right here is we can actually consider buying the gold. Let's now move to the 4-hour time frame. Let me just reset the price scale. And as you can see right now, of course, this was right here our sell level, 2733, right here, exactly. And as you can see here, we had, of course, a strong bearish candle. And usually this candle, once we see this candle appeared on a resistance level, it's really a good sign that the market actually should continue the fall. So this signal was really so much promising. But again, the bullish momentum is way stronger, and the market just has been rejected or actually declined from breaking out from the previous resistance at 2712. So that tells us that this level of resistance is actually holding its position exactly right here. The resistance at 2732 is really strong, as we can see right here. Most likely, if the gold right now will continue the fall, to retest the broken level of a resistance now as a new support, that most likely will be actually a good level to start buying the gold again, considering of course that this is of course Fibonacci 61.8. So if the gold will continue to fall, that most likely will be the lowest level that the pair is going to continue to fall to before it start the rise. And for that, I actually suggest to buy the gold exactly from 2732, which was almost our sell level. But again, that's going to be most likely hard to approach right now. I mean, with the very strong bullish momentum that we have, also considering here on the 1 hour time frame, the strong bullish momentum and the upper trend that we have right here, then most likely the gold might actually reverse way before that to happen. So Fibonacci 61.8 will actually be our safe zone for this signal. Now the entry itself will be actually right here at the previous level of a key resistance, exactly right here, little bit above 50, Fibonacci 50 at 2739, actually 2740 to be precise, exactly right here. So that was of course a strong key level of a resistance, which most likely has already become right here a support number 1. So we can buy the gold again exactly as support number 2. Again, considering this strong bullish momentum and the upper trend right here, so we don't actually need to keep the trade running below the Fibonacci 61.8 or the bottom of the real support right here at 2729. So therefore, our safe zone for this signal is going to be really good, only 100 pips. Actually, I would like to expand it because we need to give the candles a space to breathe, right? So 124 pips of a safe zone will be determined. However, now for the take profit level, which is going to be a little bit tricky, because again, we don't have any data to rely on. So now what we can do exactly to identify our take profit level. Now again, we will actually seek the help of Fibonacci retracement, but this time Fibonacci 161.8 or 261.8. So what we can do right now is simply, again, draw the Fibonacci from the high here to the low right here, right before the bullish breakout happened from this pattern. So before the current structure, we have to check the Fibonacci, as we can see right here. Let me just draw it in front of you, and that settles it. So as you can see right now, most likely right now, my friends, the gold right now is reversing exactly at 161.8. So we will actually buy the gold exactly right here at Fibonacci 100, which is normal. And then targeting, of course, Fibonacci 261.8. And again, we don't have any data to rely on. So therefore, that is going to actually be our best chance or best opportunity with the gold. And of course, I had to place my take profit level just a little bit below 261.8. Hopefully, if the signal went as planned, we can actually secure these profits. So therefore, we are targeting around 383 pips of profit against only 127 pips of a safe zone. Let me please now write the signal for you. And there goes your signal, my friends, on the gold. But again, I'm informing everybody, no one knows how the gold will move right now. The gold really, guys, is just writing history. And we don't know at any moment the gold will crash. I mean, everybody thought the gold will crash at my entry, to be honest. It was really a good entry. But again, the gold just has been rejected or declined from the bearish breakout from the resistance at 2714. So that tells us that the bullish momentum is still there, and most likely it will continue the rise. We are hoping for it to continue the rise till it reach our entry, or actually take profit level at 2777. So we're just again hoping for the best, and hopefully this signal will actually work well. And don't forget, of course, my friends, to join our free group of Telegram to receive all kinds of updates about these signals, to stay connected to Xtreme Trader team and connect with us and trade with us, and make sure to follow these updates because they are actually very helpful. They are quite helpful for everybody, and hopefully we'll continue serving you the best way we can. So until then, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.